Okay, so this thing.
So what's up? How's business?
Charlie, everything is so dull. Like,
You're not buying the wigs again?
Oh,
they're expensive for them.
You want to buy bone straight? Your money is 300.
How? Bone 300 just can't buy even fiber.
Oh,
high tech fiber. It's not
you
by
don't understand it. Hi.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We should finish and then go out there.
What are you going to do?
I'm hungry, your child.
What are you going to do?
What do you think we should do?
I feel for chicken one.
Madam, chicken one.
Or you want pizza? Or
pizza is fine.
Pizza is okay. Meat lovers or veggies lovers?
Let's get there first.
So let's finish up and let's go.
Yeah, but the drink is nice. Hey, have you heard from Britney? I don't know if the girl she has blogged me or what. I don't know her problem.
Now she's a celeb.
What?
Like the way she's posting on Instagram, like
she's a celeb to you guys. Me,
oh no, celebrities are replying her messages, so she's a celeb. Incoming celeb.
She's mad. If you go tell her that she call me, if she has blogged me to her,
I'll tell her that. It's been a while, like I miss you, like for real.
Abi, you put your money as scams.
Oh, look at you.
Your money as
the one selling double guns and all that.
Hey, as usual, I just went in, try to check if there's food around, but I'm starving, there's no food. She don't do anything for me.
Can you please rewind yourself? I didn't get what you said well, so come again. Oh, sorry.
You didn't hear what I said. I said I went to the room, I checked to see if there's food. There's no food there. And I'm asking you, you're telling me to repeat what I said.
You're expecting food in the room.
Yo.
I asked someone. Are you expecting to get food in the room?
As usual, when I come back from work, you serve my food in the room. This time around, there's no food in the room.
So what does that mean?
Are you not my wife? Are you not supposed to be cooking for me?
As you just said, I am your wife. I am not a cook. I am not your maid.
As a wife, what's your duty as a wife?
To dress and sleep.
To what?
Dress and sleep. Hey.
I married you to my home for you to dress and be sleeping.
My friend, don't let me talk plenty. You enter the kitchen. There is no food. There is gas. Gas the new one. There is glass. There is everything. You can cook. As you can see, now you want. Should I give you this as a starter?
You're expecting me to cook in my own house?
And are you also expecting me? Look at me. Look at me well. Let's go and cook. Hey, you are wicked. God will ask you. You want me to go and stand by fire so that the fire will burn my skin? Do you know how much I spend on my cosmetics? Please. Don't let me talk plenty. I don't like that. As you can see, when we are done, we are going to eat at the restaurant. So if you want to join us, Anna.
Or if you think you would go and buy food, you should think of buying one first. That would be good.
See the way you disrespect me in front of your friends.
You are the one disrespecting yourself. You are back from work. There's no food. There's everything there. You bought rice. What is so wrong about putting food on fire?
I should cook myself.
If you can't cook, then go and sleep.
Yeah.
If you want to account for biscuits and come and eat and go and sleep. Don't come and disturb me.
Hey. My own wife telling me to. It has got to this, right?
I am a wife. I am not a maid. I am not a cook. Oh, that cooking thing. Long time to no matter you are bringing it
here.
You
are not a housewife, be precise.
Please, I can't be doing that thing, right? So if you think it will worry you, there's drink here, there's biscuit, you can join us.
No problem. Don't worry. I'll go outside and look for food to eat.
Okay, please.
When you are coming, please, one pizza man. This is large.
My own house.
Oh my brother, you are going. Oh, see, don't forget to buy one for me, okay? Are you not supposed to be my wife? Are you not supposed to cook for me?
The way you was talking, I didn't just want to.
He's not correct. Why else you say?
I didn't expect you to cook for him.
Hey, sister, me, I can't be doing
You are
this.
not a housewife.
Never ever, please.
Why
else you say?
There's no way you should come and do this.
Ushu says system unit, my food, my food.
Yeah, me.
Your food. Your mother.
Hey, God. Let's hurry up and let's go and buy something. Or you'll be bringing it or he's angry.
You die here. You don't wait until the friend food. Yeah, let's go.
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.